Welcome to the story for kids. Today we have a book named Bear Snores On. In a cave, in the woods, in his deep dark lair, through the long cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Coiled in a heap, with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl and the night sound growl, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, Peter-Pat's tiptoe, creepy crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dark, too dark. So he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. The cold peep-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cried, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in. "Who, Mouse?" says Hare. "Long time no see." So they popped white corn and they brewed black tea. Mouse sips wee slurps, Hare burns big burps. But the bear snores on. A badger skirtles by, sniff-snuff at the air. "I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share?" "I've brought honey nuts," badger say with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, keep cozy down and dig it." And they nibble and they munch with a chew chop crunch, but the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel off through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm!" Twitters grin, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they titter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear slips through the party in his very old lair. Hare stokes the fire, Mouse seasons stews. Then a small pepper flake makes the bear "Rachoo!" He blows and sneezes, and the whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up, bear gnaws, and he snarls. Bear rolls, and he rumbles. Bear jumps, and he stomps. Bear growls, and he grumbles. "You've snuck in my lair, and you've all had fun, but me, I was sleeping, and I have had none. And he whimpers, and he moans, and wails and groans. Mouse squeaks, don't fret, don't fuss, look, see, we can pop more corn. We can brew more tea. Bear gruff, bear gobbles. He sighed with delight. Then he springs tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun picks up on a script clear down, Bear can't sleep. His friend snores on.